As Americans, we get one day a year to celebrate our freedom. And ladies and gentlemen, today is the day, 4th of July, 2022. Now, obviously, we have a ton of fireworks today. The budget was really high this year, so we're gonna get you guys a walkthrough later on. Stay tuned. All right, so we have all the fireworks set up here on the driveway. Just kind of have them out so I can show you everything that we're gonna be shooting off tonight. And it is super hot out right now, so we'll try to go through this kind of quick. So as you can see, there's a lot of duplicates of each item, and that's because we bought these fireworks by the case. As you know, it's way cheaper to do it like that. If you were to buy these each individually, we'd be at probably a $20,000 budget right now, but purchasing them wholesale by the case where you get like 4 of one item, definitely way cheaper. So starting over here, we got a case of Perfect Neon by T-Sky Fireworks. Moving on, we got a case of Flower Season, 36 shots. And then the next one down is called Candy Bang. You get 4 of them in a case by T-Sky Fireworks. Now we have all these zipper cakes here. So starting at the top, we got Touch the Sky, Rapid Fire, X-Power, K-Power, X-Power, sorry. Then we have Disaster Master right there. We've got the What, 85 shots, Fireworks Carnival, Beast, 220 shots, Crazy Bullets, and Beautiful Night. And then you'll notice we got a couple of shell racks out here. So these United We Win, you get 24 canister shells in a kit. They're gonna be loaded into these 2 racks. Now this one here, I made with Excalibur tubes, just kind of popped them in there. So there's gonna be 16 shots on that one and 25 shots over here. And these are some really solid shells we're gonna be throwing up. Moving over, we got 2 larger cakes. I think they were packaged 2-1 in the case. This is called Big Daddy by Legend Fireworks. And these 4 cakes right here actually come in a cake assortment called Mob Madness by Brothers Pyrotechnics. So we got Inside Job, Blood Money. This one here is called Turf War. And then on the bottom, we got Crime Scene. So you get all 4 of those different cakes by Brothers Pyrotechnics. Each one is 49 shots in the Mob Madness assortment. Right here, we got a case of Diamonds Are Forever by MC Fireworks, 30 shots a piece. You can see it's got an angle and 16-second duration. Over here, we got a case of Saturday Night Special, 36 shot cakes by Brothers Pyrotechnics. Right over here, some 25 shot cakes, Neon Galaxy by Legend Fireworks. Then we got this one here, which is kind of new. It's by Miracle Fireworks, 45 shots a piece, called Hail to the Chief. Check it out, you get 4 of those bad boys. And then we got 3 Pirate War by Stargate Fireworks. That's another 500 gram cake. These are actually all 500 grams until we get down here. Next up by Raccoon Fireworks, this is the Reaper 35 shots, and you get 4 of those in one case. Moving on, we got another Raccoon Fireworks cake, package 2-1. This is called Freedom Rider. Check it out. And next to Freedom Rider, we got a case of Red Hot Devil 35 shot cake by T-Sky Fireworks. T-Sky is one of my favorite brands next to Raccoon, and this Miracle and Stargate are both really good too. Next to that one, we got a case of Under Construction, 3 cakes in that one by Stargate Fireworks again. Then we got a classic here, Meteor Shower by Top Gun Fireworks. It's got go-getter effects in there. It should be really cool. We've never done a go-getter out here at this show. Moving on to our wall of NOABs, they are kind of misplaced, so I'll try to just show you what we got. We got a case of All Shells Possible, Demonic Corona. We got the Ghost Killer, that's that green one that you see down there in the bottom. We got a case of Ban Idiots Not Guns. Each one of these is packaged 2-1 in the case. Up here we've got Willow's Bombardment. Then we got I Proudly Stand for the National Anthem. Lots of patriotic stuff here. We've got All Time High by Stargate. We got Jellyfish Monster here by Boomwah Fireworks. Should be an awesome effect in that. And I think we covered most everything. We got Demonic Corona again. These ones here are also 500 gram cakes by Raccoon Fireworks. They come 4-1 in the case and they're called Willow Explosion. Now these two big boys right here, we got Flamingo and Rise and Boom. We used Flamingo last year, but we didn't use this one, I don't think. Otherwise, I don't remember, but these are some big zipper cakes. Should be a lot of fun tonight. So now we have to go get all of our 500 gram cakes, zippers, and NOABs set up. We're gonna do 2 lines here. So we're gonna have one line in front, and then about 10, 15 feet back, we'll have another line, and I'll go back and forth like I did every year before this one. So as you guys can see, we finally have everything set up, and I'm just gonna give you guys a quick walkthrough. For those of you that have seen this show for the past 4 years, you know it is a bit chaotic. So I can't really gauge what's gonna be going on at what point in the display, but we will try our best. Again, it's that back and forth thing that I've always done. We've got one row here, one row here. The finale is behind the camera. We've got the opener behind the camera as well, and there's a bunch of stuff down there, some segments with zipper cakes and NOABs all going off at the same time. So we're gonna try to get you a walkthrough, but just keep in mind when the actual display is happening, it's gonna be a lot of chaos. Like there's gonna be 4 cakes going off at the same time probably. So right here we've got the opener for the firework display. We're gonna shoot a rapid fire and a demonic corona together, and I think it's gonna look really cool. You might notice I'm holding a torch, but I also have the Ignite firing system right here. This thing actually hooks up to my phone, so I'll show you that real quick. So check it out, I can actually shoot fireworks using my phone, and so we've got the opener hooked up right here. If we go to free shoot, you'll see Q1 and 2 is hooked up to rapid fire and demonic corona. There are a couple of kids here that like to push the button. That's kind of their way of starting off the fireworks show. So we do that every year for them. They get to push the button, and it feels really cool doing that. So they push these 2 buttons here. That's gonna fire the rapid fire here and demonic corona. So this is what's gonna trigger the opener here, and then we move on to those 2 massive rows of fireworks over there, and we have the finale over on the right, which we'll show you here in a moment. So moving on to the actual body of the display, you can see I've got these 2 rows. Each row houses 30 500 gram cakes. Over there we do have some NOABs, and over there we do have some zipper cakes. That is not part of the rows of 30. So we have 30 cakes right here and 30 cakes right here. That's what we're gonna cover right now. So over here, after the opener, I'm gonna go ahead and light Jellyfish Monster, okay? So we're gonna get those nice jellyfish breaks up in the air. Right after that, we move over to this angled cake here called Flower Season, 36 shots, and then we just go back and forth each time. So we got that Willow Explosion by Raccoon Fireworks. Then we have Willow's Bombardment by Wise Guy Fireworks. I might get some of these names wrong because a lot of the labels are facing out the way we had to set this up. But then we come into a Candy Bang by T-Sky. And again, I'm up here at ground zero the entire display, and I'm just kind of pacing it out as we go. So if I feel like the display is going a little too slow or a little too fast, I'm gonna slow it down by either not hitting another 500 gram cake or hitting several more 500 gram cakes. And that's kind of the way that we've done it every year. I know that it does get a bit hard to follow in the video because I can't sit here and put all the names in the video as they're going off, because if I did that, there would be like 6 texts on the screen that show like what we're shooting at the same time. So again, if this display is going too slow, then I might be hitting Jellyfish Monster with Willow Explosion and those 2 cakes over there on the left. So moving on from Candy Bang, we have this one over here, All Shells Possible by Wise Guy Fireworks. Then we have a Pirate War by Stargate. Then we've got Perfect Neon by T-Sky. Moving on, we've got the Reaper by Raccoon Fireworks, just back and forth again. This is gonna get a bit repetitive as we continue down the lines, but Meteor Shower over to Under Construction. And then after that one, we've got Hail to the Chief, and then another Meteor Shower. After that Meteor Shower, we've got Diamonds Are Forever by MC Fireworks. Then we've got Neon Galaxy over there. And then after Neon Galaxy, we got another Perfect Neon, a bunch of these angled cakes. You'll see I kind of had to set them up sideways like this because all the people are gonna be watching it from over there. So I had to kind of compensate for that angle. Like I can't just put all the angled cakes straight up because everyone's gonna be sitting behind the camera. So anyway, moving on from the Perfect Neon, we've got another Diamonds Are Forever right here. After that one, we move on to Hail to the Chief Willow Explosion by Raccoon Fireworks. After that, we've got Red Hot Devil and Red Hot Devil going at the same time probably. Again, a lot of stuff going up at the same time. After Red Hot Devil over there, because we've got 2 of them, we move into Meteor Shower again, where we hit another Candy Bang. After Candy Bang, we've got Under Construction and The Reaper. Then we have another Red Hot Devil over here with a Saturday Night Special by CodyBPyrotechnics. After that one, we hit this one here, which is a lot larger. It's called Big Daddy by Legend Fireworks. That is definitely a large cake. Another Willow Explosion over there by Raccoon Fireworks. After that one, we hit another Meteor Shower. So a lot of repetition, but a lot of these cakes are gonna be going at the same time, so you're not gonna really notice that it looks like it's dragging out. It's gonna be a lot of chaos. Then after that, we have Pirate War. After that one, we go back to Under Construction. Then we've got another Perfect Neon over there. After that one, we've got Diamonds Are Forever. After that one goes, we have another Candy Bang. And after Candy Bang, we've got Perfect Neon again. After Perfect Neon, we shoot Red Hot Devil. Then we move into part of the Mob Madness assortment. This is Turf War over here. And then we have Hail to the Chief. After that, we got Blood Money. And then we have Pirate War. Sorry, I'm kind of confused here, but we have Saturday Night Special. There's a lot of duplicates, and that one there is further up than this one. So Saturday Night Special, and then we have Willow Explosion by Raccoon. After that one, we come into The Reaper by Raccoon Fireworks, and then we have a Saturday Night Special over there. That's where I was confused. So after that one, we hit Hail to the Chief over here, and after that, we go to Neon Galaxy, and then we've got Crime Scene and another Neon Galaxy. And then we have Neon Galaxy over here. So we got 3 of those going up right around the same time. Lots of neon colors in the air. So after that one, we go back to a Saturday Night Special. And then we go to Inside Job, again, part of the Mob Madness assortment. After that one, we've got The Reaper, again, by Raccoon Fireworks. Then a Candy Bang over here. Into the Ban Idiots Not Guns by Boomwell Fireworks, then Freedom Rider, then All Time High by Stargate Fireworks, and then last but not least for this row, we have the Big Daddy by Legend Fireworks and Ghost Killer by Raccoon Fireworks. Now this segment over here, you guys might remember from a video I did where I just shot a show off for the guys that watch my channel on YouTube. And we're gonna do the same thing over here with the no-abs and zipper cakes. So I have 7 zipper cakes and 7 no-abs. They're all gonna fire simultaneously, so you get that nice mid-level effect back and forth, and those no-abs breaking right over top. So you guys are gonna have to use that video I did with the zippers and no-abs at the gravel pit as reference, because that's exactly what we're gonna do here, and I'll try to go through it, but basically we're gonna be hitting X Power with Willow's Bombardment right here. Those are gonna go at the same time, and I'm up here at ground zero just kind of pacing it out, but we're gonna get that awesome zip back and forth with these no-abs breaking right over top. And after that, we have got Ban Idiots Not Guns with Disaster Master by T-Sky Fireworks. We've got the What 85 Shots with I Proudly Stand. We have Jellyfish Monster with Fireworks Carnival. Then we've got the Beast 220 Shots going up with Ghost Killer by Raccoon Fireworks. And then we have Crazy Bullets by Sky Pioneer Fireworks going up with All Time High. And last but not least, we have All Shells Possible for the no-ab with Beautiful Night by Happy Family Fireworks. So this cake here, 221 shots, it lasts like 3.5 minutes in total. So this is actually my time saver piece. And I leave that one until I've done both rows just to see if I need to buy like an extra 4 minutes of time. But literally right after Rise and Boom, we move on to our finale, which is over here, and we'll cover that in just a moment. So this is when we start our finale segment, and what I mean by that is I took all 16 shells that came in the United We Win kit, and I kind of did these clusters. So I daisy chained them all together with a zip tie, and I think I can hit these pretty quick with a torch. So it's just gonna be boom, 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 and then we hit Touch the Sky by Miracle Fireworks. Again, that one having an angle, I don't wanna be up here when that's going off. So that's why I'm not gonna light that one before I light these. These go straight, so I feel a little more comfortable lighting off these shells and then hitting that. So about halfway through that, we're gonna move on to our second segment right here, which is these 2 36-shot cakes, Flower Season, and the Flamingo cake. So there's 3 hits here. I'm gonna start with the furthest one away from me, and I'm gonna work my way down. So I'm just gonna hit all 3 of those. I'm gonna wait for that to get about halfway done as well, and then the real loud stuff over here. This is kind of the real deal finale, but really all three of these segments are going to contribute to the massive finale that we're doing. So again, a lot of this stuff might be going off at the exact same time, but we got the demonic Corona right here. What else to shoot in a finale? We're gonna make a ton of noise with that. And we have a Freedom Rider by Raccoon Fireworks just to give a little bit of an angle. And we do have some angle over here, but I definitely wanna make sure that that angle continues throughout the duration of the finale. So that's why I'm using a lot of angles here. And last but not least, we hit this rack of 25 canister shells. They're all fused together like that. We just did the cluster method right here. So I hit that, and basically I'm just gonna hit Freedom Rider, Demonic Corona, and this for the finale, and boom, we've got our firework display for the 4th of July, 2022. So as some of you may know, my wife and I just had a newborn, and that's why she's not out here today. Usually she's in the thumbnail and everything, but she's at home taking care of our little baby girl, and I'm out here setting up the 4th of July show. And at this point, we're just waiting for the sun to go down so we can shoot off our entire firework display. But before we do, I just want to remind you guys that are new here, this is a year-round firework channel. So this isn't the only video that I post throughout the year in regards to fireworks. I actually upload year-round. So if you're just tuning into the 4th of July video, that's okay too. Just make sure to leave a like. But if you're a firework fanatic yourself, like me, stay tuned because throughout the year, we are shooting off fireworks every single day. And just one more thing, we almost hit a new milestone of 400,000 subscribers, so I cannot thank you guys enough. This 4th of July fireworks show goes out to you guys. That's how you do it up on July 4th, boys.